Welcome to my sacred experience of the Iemanja Festival in Bahia, Brazil. Let's go. So today's the day that I've been waiting for a very long time. Last night the ritual began and today it continues. This is the day where people wear all whites, and I'm actually going to be taking my offering onto the water myself today. I'm very excited, as you can see, just already in very celebratory mood. So we're riding on the motorcycle to Rio Vermelho, which is traditionally where everyone goes. It's where the house of Iemanja, which is of the Candomble order, is located. And so that's where we're going. And for me, the ride on the motorcycle is a big part of the experience. Everything is very meaningful. This is when I first landed, and I had my first glass of pure sugarcane juice. And then we went to meet our friends here on the beach. We have our flowers that we're taking out and our items to dip in the water. And again, the flowers represent special meditations that are very private, and we are petitioning Iemanja to continue to bless us and to continue to be close to us as the Great Mother. I think it's very notable to also acknowledge that this is also a holiday in Mexico and all over the world. In Mexico, this is the Dia de Candelaria, which is also for the Black Madonna. And people don't really acknowledge that, but it's the same deity, so it's something that's recognized worldwide and not just specifically for so-called African traditions. And here's the water, the sacred waters. And you can see all of the flowers that have been offered by many people. As a mother, part of my work is also to ask for protection for my own children. And so that is what I'm doing. I didn't film the entire time out there because it's very personal as far as the prayers. But afterwards, people continue to party. I was thinking that I would get in the water, but they actually told me that that's not a time to get in the water because it's like people's prayers are in the water, and so you're not really supposed to be submersing yourself in those things. I'm feeling very festive. And I just enjoyed the overall environment. They actually have a lot of parties that go on all throughout the day and into the evening. But that isn't really what I was interested in. I just really wanted my meditative time. So me and my friends, here's Wanderson, looking very debonair and regal. And also engaging in a little merriment on behalf of Iemanja also. We're there to raise the energy up. And so that's what we were doing together. And I'm very thankful for them. So we closed the day out at a restaurant, and where they had music, live music, and engaged in a little traditional samba. And so it was a really beautiful day that I'm just happy to share. heart. And so for me to have made it finally across the great waters to be here is definitely something for me to celebrate to the fullest. I'm so thankful that Spirit empowered me to finally be here. Ashe. Thanks for watching Kaleidoscope Klan. It's always a pleasure. Continue to embody the sacred transformation. And please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.